Now, here is someone who has always been the centre of attention for ridicule, and they bring this person of ridicule into the middle of the crowd, and he's probably going, here we go again. The jeering, the snarling, the things I don't understand as they laugh at me. And Jesus takes him aside. Jesus takes him out of the crowd. And he touches his ears, and he touches his mouth. He gives him dignity and indicates it's this, his hearing, and this, his speech. And Jesus sighs and speaks this one word that Mark has recorded for us in the original language. Ephphatha. Ephphatha. Be opened. And his hearing's restored, his speech is free, and his life is restored. An absolute miracle. But it's actually more than a miracle, because it's not just a random act of kindness. It's a kingdom sign. It is Jesus fulfilling the prophecy in Isaiah 35, where the prophet talks about the lame leaping for joy, for the deaf hearing, and the mute singing for joy. You see, this is new creation breaking in. Jesus restores what sin has broken. And this man is able to be a sign of what God is doing in their midst.